like making slime, and we like building and Lego building and everything. This is our very first video. Today we're gonna make 3 slimes and see which ones are make it. We're gonna test them actually. So first, we're going to mix some glue into a bowl. So I mixed some glue into the bowl. Here is the ready-made slime that it makes. This is the result of the slime that we made, the first slime. So, to make this slime, we had to use the glue, and we have to use glue. This is your basic slime. Contact on solution and baking soda is the activator.
Yeah.
Make sure you don't add too much. Add little by little to make this slime. Now, this is a slime that we knew we could do. Now we're going to try some slimes that we have never done before.
So we wanted to do this because like we were bored. We didn't find like anything interesting to do, and we liked slime, so we decided to make a video of slime.
So, this is a slime that we know for sure works, right? Now we're going into the unknown. Okay, so these are popular online videos. So, the first one I want to try today is Blue Tack slime. Blue Tack slime. This is like a strip of, the stuff to stick on the wall. So first, we're going to like stretch it around a bit. We're going to slowly add some soap.
Some soap.
But not yet.
As you can see here.
Okay. By the way, we come from Canada. And it's like, COVID-19 and stuff like that.
Yeah, but it's getting better here. So we just told our parents to go outside and buy it for us.
No, I don't know what you're.
Tommy,
I don't know what you're saying, but like
By
it's
the
okay.
slime.
Yeah.
Por
Okay.
isso vocês estão fazendo, né?
Okay. Now here we're making the. Okay, guys, so after a lot of kneading and a lot of soap adding, I think I added too much soap because look how it is now. It's kind of like, it has like a little, look, it made my hands all white. So it's kind of strange, but then again, I did use normal hand soap instead of foaming hand soap. I wonder if that did anything. So I would call this maybe an okay. Like, it's actually a pretty nice slime. Moving on with our next slime, we're going to make the shampoo and salt slime that everyone goes crazy about. Let's see if this actually works. Okay, so here we have some regular Dove shampoo, and we have this bowl. So I'm just going to squirt some of this regular Dove shampoo into this regular bowl, and I'm a regular person. So I squirted some of that.
Kenza, não mistura, não mistura. Peraí.
Okay. This Dove shampoo is pretty thick, but I wonder if it will be thick enough. So when you're making this, you have to remember it has to be very small quantity because or else it could melt the slime. I've seen scenarios where it's melted and that's not very good. However, this is the first time I've tried it. So
salt.
Okay, it's kind of nice, kind of not nice. Okay, kind of nice, kind of not nice. Let me just touch it. Yep, it's kind of leaky. Okay, but the recipe says you're supposed to, I think, put it in your freezer for 10 minutes. So, I'll be back after 10 minutes. Hi guys! It's been 10 minutes in the fridge. And so now let's, in the freezer actually, and let's see what it's got into. Almost the same. Let me see how it's like. Oh. Okay, this isn't a slime. It's more of an ooh. It's like an icky thing, but it's still really cool. It changed a little bit, but also it's really, really cool. I would recommend actually putting this in the freezer for more time. I think it would actually work. In our next video, I'll tell you if it worked for me. Well, anyways, guys, that's all for today. Bye!